Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Fuerteventura, where the local time is approaching 7:10 in the afternoon, in the evening. That is the same time as UK. Whilst the aircraft is tacked into our parking stand, we ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Before leaving the aircraft, please check around your seat area to make sure that you have all your personal belongings with you. And to be very careful in opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved during the flight. Mobile telephones and other small portable handheld devices may now be used. Flight safety mode can now be switched off. You must inform a member of cabin crew immediately if your device becomes damaged, overheats, produces smoke,